I say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Today we're heading on the road. We have a couple errands to run. First place we're gonna go to is JN, just to have some money. Then we're gonna go to the hair store. Now, the major highlight of this video is the fact that I will be going by my son all the way to college, like an hour and 45 minutes away. I wanted to have left earlier, but that never worked out. I wanted to drop the kids at school and then go straight up there, but that never worked out because I would have made the kids late for school. So instead I got back, just got ready. It is now 15 minutes to 11. Hopefully I can get there before 12 o'clock. The aim was to go there and have breakfast together. I like just wake him up because we're getting scheduled. I'm gonna get all that sorts out and stuff like that. But that looked like it's not gonna work out based on the time frame. Based on the fact I'm gonna have to stop 2 stops first before I go there. So in any case, I'm still gonna go, and if I reach there at lunchtime, I will still have time before he goes to class and we can do lunch. So that is the aim. Now, let's show you how I'm looking right now. This is what I'm wearing. Regular like jeans, my white Air Max, my crop top hoodie, and a jacket with my Steve Madden purse. Okay, so that's me, and we're gonna head out right now. So let's go. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. Mommy, soon come. I'll grab my buckle water. We did not start the car, so we're gonna do that right now. Guys, today is so nice. It's going up into, I think it's gonna go the highest 56 degrees today. All the ice melting. Before it was literally like the snow become like full-blown ice. All the rivers and streams and everything were literally frozen because of the cold. My car is such a mess. My car is so dirty. But it's getting, since yesterday it went up to 45. Today's gonna go to 56. Tomorrow's gonna go to 49. So we're getting some nice weather for the next couple of days. So that should melt off all of this. So right now, like the road is looking so, it looked like when it's raining because everything is just melting and just like flooding out the road. Like that's how crazy it is right now. Anyhow, let me put you up on the stand. Let me take you off of this. Oh god guys, the struggle I'm just have to go through a while ago to get this up here because the stand keeps falling down for some very odd reason. I don't know what's going on. It just like it get loose and it just fall off. So hopefully the camera stays sturdy and it doesn't fall off again, please God. Hopefully. But we're on our way, so let's still vibe out a little bit, and we're heading straight to JN right now. It's now 10:47, so let's do this thing. It's very special. It's such a shame, but I'm leaving. Can't take the way you mistreated me.
I don't believe you wanna leave like this. I don't believe I just had my last real kiss.
I gotta leave you alone, cause I'm good. Holding down the spot and I'm good. I go drink water and mind my business. 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 Me, I don't watch people, man. I look at
So we're here at the parking lot behind JN. I'm just gonna run in real quick. I don't think I'm gonna take you. I'm not gonna take you down. If I take you down, it's gonna be a hassle right now. I'm just gonna use my phone to record for the rest of the thing. And when we get back, I'll pick you up. I'm not gonna leave you. I'm not gonna leave you. I promise. 125. Better better. Better better. Alright? Again, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we are back in. Finished with JN. Alright, so now we're gonna head down to the hair store.
Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime.
What's Tell me what you want, know what you really wanna do. Tell me, baby girl, if your love is really true. Tell me what you want, know what you really wanna do. If you really love me, let it flow. And if you don't love me, let me go. Out in the road, while I let you eat. The singer got the keys to the street. Now we pretty girls want to leave. So tell me what's up before we get in the street. You see, I'll be a dancing. The one that girl they want to be our friend. I don't want it to end. You have me break up us, they can't comprehend. And then again.
Alright guys, I am back, and while I was in the store, for some reason every time I'm buying TJ's product, I'm never remembering exactly what I need to buy. So I had called him, to see if I'm buying the right one and if he needed anything else and whatever not. Tell me why TJ told me know that he needs body wash and maybe an extra toothbrush. I'm not going back home. That's not an option because it's now 11:30, so I have to get on my journey. I asked him, he said that it's not so bad with the body wash right now. It's like 65%, so I can always get him that one next time. And the toothbrush is still okay. It's still okay. So with that being said, I'll give you the little haul when I get back. How much should I do it now? None of time. I'm gonna reach up there. Let's show you a quick half. This seems like they act, you know what? Alright, I'm gonna do it. This is the hair gel that I use, but it seems like they changed the color or the container. So I got one of that. I got one of the Isa Plus avocado oil conditioner. You guys can see. I got two of these. This is the intensive moisture sealant. And the one that I was forgetting, I picked it up, but I wasn't so sure. This is the defining curl whip. And then I got two body oil. That's it. So let me pick up the address real quick, because yesterday I kind of make sure that I got that from him, because I'm always a loss. He has no idea that I'm coming. So Eve with me having this conversation, so he was like, yeah, I need shampoo and I need body wash and toothbrush. And I'm like, you need that right now? He's like, you want me? I can always grab that at Dollar Tree or something. I'm like, no, I have. What are you talking about? Like, I have this at home. So he's like, okay, so fine, so you don't have to buy it. This right? Why did it show me say it's 39 minutes away? What? Hold on, recent song. It's right? Hold on, a big tune.
She is always in my corner when I want. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. Oh, I think that I found.
He said I should reach there by 12:12. Can you hear me?
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best.
You're tired for the rest of my life. Say yes, cause I need to know. You said to be so rude. Don't you know I'm human too? I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. Who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Just beautiful me. Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can't be in movies? Who said? Would you tell me who said that? Yeah.
From the other day,
I wanna do this the wickedest right.
you better alert me one time. Alert me if you want the wickedest wine. Satisfaction a every girl dream. Me get a call from sexy Maxi. She said she never had it so deep. Her ex-boyfriend used to come and drop asleep. That's when the beer just start beat. She said, what she preferred. She want a man with me, she fly like bird. She want a real man, she don't want a nerd.
Say you love me and you care, but you never then near. You always on the run. Now tell me this, kick back and just unwind. You always have something to do. That simple mean that love you're not true, cause only when you want to me hear you shout I love you. Oh, so nice. Tell me why it hurts so bad.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me?
I just look at what I'm saying. The police have stopped me because him is up right behind me. No line on or nothing. And then all of a sudden, so me I might drive me, I look at me, realize that I got the speed, the right speed. So I'm like, what is going on? Why you just itch up behind me?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, you're some food in you. Step 3. Grow hard about what you want.
Hello? Are you hearing me? Okay, hi. Let me have a bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant, please. 4 servings of hash browns. And let me have, yeah, 1 bacon, egg, and cheese.
4 servings of hash browns?
Yep. Let me have 2 ham and Swiss croissant stuffer, orange juice, and a medium dragon fruit refresher, please.
For the oranges, we only have 5 of them.
All right, go ahead.
And for the refresher, you want green tea?
Yeah,
Is that the all?
that's it. All right, so guys, I am here. I stopped on my Dunkin' Donuts. Just ordered the food, as you heard. The battery died, so I had to change. I was fighting to change that, and that is what interrupted the conversation I was telling you about. The conversation I was having, or what I was telling you about the police. So, as I was saying, I made a turn. The police, I realized this car is just like literally behind me. So I mean, I look, you know, one of the Ford Explorers. So, you know, not all Ford Explorers are police, but most times they are. So I'm checking and I'm looking on top of it, and I realize, okay, it looks like a police. So I'm checking my speedometer just to make sure I'm on the right speed, right? And I was. So I'm like, why is this cop just on my tail? The music, the loud and something. So I'm gonna turn it down just to make sure. As me look up, so I didn't like me see the flash. And I like, what is shit? Is he turning me, like, telling me to stop? So I start pull over. All of you see him literally just went around me, like speeding like hell all of a sudden. And like, that was just so weird. I mean, them amounts, you know? I mean, I say like, what the hell? Anywho, we made it up safely. It's literally 60 minutes after 12. And so I'm just grabbing this food, and then I'll call him and make him come outside the door. So I'll make sure that you guys get his reaction and everything. I went back and ordered his exact order that he gave me the last time him and his father they come down. We also surprised him too. Was supposed to be an orange juice. Was supposed to be one of the dragon fruit and one of orange juice, a bottle of orange juice. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go surprise my baby. Are you welcome? Nice. We are here. Hey Siri, call TJ.
Calling TJ mobile.
Hello?
TJ?
Yeah.
You kind of do me a favor and come outside to me, please.
I'm outside?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh my god, this was an epic fail. At this point, I'm trying to take on the camera to record TJ's reaction and him walking out of his dorm room. Not sure what I pressed and nothing was recorded, so I'm so sorry, but we did have a good time. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, guys, so it is now 2 o'clock, basically 2 o'clock. I just dropped off TJ at his class. We just really just hang out and just talk, you know, mommy daughter something. No, mommy son something. So I didn't bring out the camera for that. So the whole purpose of me being here was just to be there for him. You know, life is life, and he needed his mom. So been there and stuff. So we just dropped him off. I just put in to pick up the kids early, so I'm just gonna go straight by the school. I have 45 minutes from here to reach home, and then I'll go grab the kids. And yeah, I'll see you when I get home. All right.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy.
time for me. Everything is time for me.
Hola. Me just reach about pick them school. Me pick them up early.
Vibes, me know me touch her not the right spot. It's not up on her ass and me say why not? Baby, just jiggle higher, throw your body, turn up.
Alright guys, so I stopped at Stop and Shop. I got as you saw, a bag of shrimp and a bag of nuggets. Get run out of nuggets, and then there's the shrimp to cook. Something I've just been asking for when, like a shrimp with cabbage and sausage. So we're gonna do that today. I don't think I'm gonna show you that. I'm here at the school right now, so Stop and Shop. We're here at the school. We're in the line waiting for school to be dismissed, so I can grab them, go home. I'm gonna cook, and I'm gonna also comb Savannah's hair because our hair really overdue. It really needs to be combed, and that's gonna be my day. So I will see you guys when I grab the kids, and then yeah. All right. Again, if you reach this far in the video and you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, like the video, comment under the comment section, and share. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, we are back home. Unfortunately, I forgot to share the kids when they enter the car, but we're home. Get out, it's just one over there. She don't want our mood. Just a popo can say hi to the vlog. Say hi vlog. Say that. Hey, when I do that. Say hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
You look so fake. Oh, hi vlog. And then Miss Attitude over here, so she had in her face. She had in her look. Take off it. Take it off. She having an attitude. Anywho, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, again, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.